Hello friends, the old HDFC Bank app has been closed and how to log in HDFC new bank app. In this video I will show you. So you see on screen, this is HDFC Bank old app and this is HDFC Bank new app. So first you open Play Store or App Store and download HDFC new bank app. Click here continue registration and here have two options. Yes, I have an account and not yet. So you click here yes, I have an account. And here you choose country and click to continue. And here you see here have option select your mobile operator. So if you have Airtel sim, Jio sim, Vodafone sim and any other sim, so which mobile operator sim you choose, you select here. I use Jio sim, so I click here Jio. I click to continue. And here have option verify your mobile number. So remember friends, when you log in this app, which number registered in your HDFC Bank account should be in the same number in your mobile. Click here continue. Click here. Click here. And you see here my customer ID automatically show here. Click here continue. And here have two options, debit card and net banking. So log in this new app, you can use debit card also and net banking password also can. So I use my debit card, log in this HDFC Bank app. So I click here debit card and click to continue. And here you see friends, here have option enter your debit card details. So here you need writings debit card CVV code and your debit card password, ATM password. So this full detail I fill up ready friends. Just simply click here continue. And next option have let's set your MPIN, your HDFC Bank app password. So here 4-digit any password you can choose. Password friends I choose ready. Click here set new MPIN. Click here continue to login. You can use your face ID also log in this app. So I set up this later. So I click here I will set later and click here OK and click here and click to confirm. Click here. Click here agree and submit. So app friends setup ready successfully. So which MPIN you choose before, that MPIN just writing here. Click here. And click to accept and continue. So friends, app login successfully. So friends, very simple or easy, you also can log in your HDFC new bank app. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.